Lebanese cuisine is part of the traditional cuisine of the Levant, known in Arabic as the Balad al-Sham and also Mashriq, which covers a large area of the Eastern Mediterranean. One of the key components of any cuisine are the spices, and as this spice mixture is used in so many Lebanese dishes, it's a perfect start to my series on Lebanese cuisine. Please note that a Lebanese 7 spices mix is not the same as an Arabic 7 spices mix, so if you buy a pre-made 7 spices mix at a Middle Eastern store, make sure that you read the label. Baharat means spice in Arabic, and adiveh means spice in Persian, and you will see 7 spice mixtures often labeled generically as either, but it isn't entirely accurate, nor are the ingredients standard. Turkish Baharat mixtures often include dried mint, and Syrian Baharat mixtures can include galangal, coriander, and cumin. Also, even though they're labeled 7 spices, many have 5, 6, 7, 8, or more spices. The 7 spices mixture varies from family to family and from one region to the other. The classic Lebanese mix is made of ground black and white pepper, allspice, cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and mahlab. And here is how I make my version of Lebanese 7 spices. 2 teaspoons of allspice, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Finally, 1/8 teaspoon of mahlab. Now just thoroughly mix these spices together and you will have an authentic Lebanese 7 spice mixture. I used a tablespoon as my measure in the video, and the recipe as I made it makes about 1/3 a cup of Lebanese 7 spice. However, the recipe is based on ratios, and so you can make as much or as little as you like by following the ratios of the spices in this recipe as shown on this chart. And you can also adjust the spicing to your taste. For example, I often do not add mahlab to my spice mixture. Now that you know how to create one of the key components to Lebanese cuisine, I will show you in following videos how to use the 7 spices mixture to create delicious and authentic Lebanese food. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to be notified of future videos.